Roll that intro. What's up, guys?
What up?
So we're meeting up with Fadeen here. The Lakeside meet did get canceled for a little bit because of like people who don't know how to like control their cars, essentially, like little kids. And yeah, Stan has seen this everywhere. So, but yeah,
I've been around this scene for decades, so I've seen this.
Yeah, follow his Instagram right here. Why are my hands all shaky? Chilling. And you know what else is here? A 32 GTR 4-door. Damn.
Don't forget to get that S13 Sylvia. That's
oh yeah,
right-hand drive.
That S13 right there too. What's up, bros? Oh, let's not get hit by the truck. But all right, so check this out.
What's up, man?
Homeboy, I just met him. Sorry. Check this out. We got a CRX owner right here. Done right. Give his Instagram right here. I'll find it in my phone later.
All right.
But yeah, so
This is my 1990 Honda CRX. Got a built Type R engine.
sorry, my bad. Let me take it.
No, you're good, man. Built Type R engine, and
Sorry.
trying to go for NASA circuit cars. So
Are you gonna track it?
yeah, I've done one hyperdrive with NASA. I just want to do it right, so all the money and investment that I have doesn't get taken away on the streets and stuff like that.
Dang.
So yeah, with me in it and half tank of gas, it weighs 2,067.
2067, bro. That's
Pretty
crazy.
cool, man.
Yeah, give this dude's follow. Give this dude a follow. I'll show you his build right now. Check this out. This thing's crazy. This man's Integra right here. I seen this too. This thing's clean as hell too. Check this out. Check this out. Boom! Boom! You call it a ghost. Call it a ghost, man. That's a wrap. Let me show you a little bit more about this. We're gonna head out. Fadeen's meeting us somewhere else, so we're gonna go elsewhere and meet them up. Cool. Hey, yo, so we got the address. We got a few people that are coming with us. That's CRX, and then of course you got Stan right there. We're gonna meet up with Fadeen now, so I'll update you guys once we get there. So let's rock and roll. So we made it. There's Stan. Check this out. Check this lineup out. Ooh, look at that. Go right to left. There's two Supras. Let me pull out here real quick. You got the FD. And what is that little thing over there? That little thing. Look at, what is that little thing? That's the NSX, bro, and an FD, bro. Sauce. Yo, we're here with Fadeen. We finally made it. We got this guy with the NSX out there. And then this guy with the FD, right? You're the one with the FD? Chicken wings. And then Supra. And then, yeah, all right, Fadeen channel right here. Yeah, you guys know me. All right, yo, so we're about to head to the cars. We just got done eating, you know? You got Seth Rogen. You got the famous guy. Oh, bro, NSX. I'll find his Instagram when I'm doing something. I'll follow him right here. Follow everybody here, you know? We all cool and stuff. You got, I can't tell who's who. All right, the guy with the, what is it? A CRX? Something. All right, you got Dominic Toretto right there in the middle with the Rx7, and then you got Stan with the R32, and then you got Fadeen eating some pizza, cause he won't run pizza right here. Yeah, that crusty dog.
Bomber John,
crusty as hell. But all right, so we're gonna go do whatever now, but yeah.
Look at some red cars.
Yeah, red cars, bloody. So yeah, now we're in the garage chilling. We got Fadeen. I don't know. Are we gonna shoot or what? We shooting, Fadeen? We're shooting. All right, so we're gonna shoot some stuff maybe, and then yeah. But dude, these cars are butter. Oh my gosh, bro! Light show, light show. That's sick. The ground is shaking. That is monstrous. And then you got this legend right here, bro. What? What? This is crazy. Look at this. Superchargers. Oh, he got them too. This guy. That was a 5.5 earthquake, my friends. That was saucy. So it's just us three now. Henry. And
Go back?
what? These guys are crazy. But alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here. Go ahead and like it right here. Oh, down there. Subscribe right here. And check out that last video. Thanks for the support. I'll see you guys on the next one.